Hey all, welcome back to Jobs Indeed YouTube channel. Do subscribe for latest job updates. The organization is CGI and the designation is Quality Engineer, looking for the BSc freshers completely. So category they have given is testing and quality assurance. Work location will be Bangalore. And the job description is process defining and checking adherence. So they are looking for the BSc graduates who have done their graduation in the academic year of 20 and 2021 passed outs. They are looking with the math or statistics background students along with the interest of learning process and standards. It means ISO. Everyone are familiar of ISO, no? Or frameworks related profile you'll be working with, and also Excel or PowerPoint. Like if brief it up in a very few lines, so you'll be working with the process of ISO standards or frameworks with the background of math or stats, and working on Excel or PowerPoint, and you'll be able to eagerly to learn. So you'll be having an opportunity to learn a new work. So basic checking of the process adherence and differentiating with the bad quality product from a good quality, and they are looking for the written and oral communication skills and need to interact with the multiple stakeholders. Regarding to the work and analytical skills, good aptitude and aptitude to learn with the quality concepts. So skills they are providing are the business process analysis and quality assurance or strategy. So best opportunity for the freshers who have done their BSc during 20 and 21. Good opportunity for the BSc graduates. Do not miss the opportunity and apply as early as possible. And along with this job description, they have given about the organization, like a brief introduction to the organization, or creating awareness during the fraud alerts regarding the openings at the particular organization. Link will be provided in the description, and kindly go through the profile once. And if you are interested for this particular opening, so click on I'm interested, and further you need to log in, create the account with the particular organization, and then you can apply for this particular job. Hope this video is useful for you, and kindly do like, share, comment and subscribe for more and more job updates. Thank you for watching. The link is provided in the description.